Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to switch off your Google Pixel phone. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna find the off button and the volume up button. So if I click on it, it will turn off. So this is the off button, and then the volume up button. If we click on it, the volume goes up. So we're gonna find these two buttons and we're gonna click them at the same time. So if I click them, you can see we have these options that appear: emergency, power off, and restart. So we're gonna find the power off option and click on it, and you can see that the phone is shutting down now. So that's it. But if you want to turn it back on, you're just gonna hold the on button, and you can see that the phone is turning back on now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.